Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Today we will discuss the topic of Battle of Ohad and breaking the treaty by Banu Nazir. Battle of Ohad is started in 3rd Hijrah. Muslim attacked Abu Sufyan caravan and looted it. Ikramah came to Abu Sufyan and asked him to fight, so they came out with 3000 men. Muslim came with 1000 men, but Abu Abdullah Ubay argued Prophet that you have not preferred his opinion to fight while remaining in Media, so he left Prophet ﷺ and went back. Rest of 700 men fought bravely, due to which pagans retreated. Most of the archers appointed on mountain saw Muslims gathering booty, so they left their position to collect their share, while Prophet ﷺ had ordered them not to leave until commanded. Seeing this, pagan attacked consequently. 70 Sahaba were martyred. Muslims fought well again and made pagans step back. Sayyid Hanzla, who had just been married, had been martyred, and angel came to give him bath. Pagan cut organs of Muslims due to their anger. Wahshi killed Hazrat Hamza Razi Ta'ala Anha upon the order of Hind bint Utbah, the wife of Abu Sufyan, due to her anger, as her father Utbah had been killed in the Battle of Badr. Wahshi pulled out his liver and presented to Hind. A woman from Abu Dinar came and asked about Prophet ﷺ. She was told that her son, husband and brother had died, but she still only wanted to know about the wellness of Prophet ﷺ. Prophet ﷺ sent a man to Quraysh next day, who told them about the angriness in Muslim due to the Quraysh back off. Prophet ﷺ married with the daughter of Hazrat Umar, Sayyida Hafsa, change of Qibla, order to observe fast was revealed. Fatma married to Hazrat Ali, and Hazrat Hassan was born. Muslims were deceived in this battle. Azlan Kara men came and asked Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ to send some people to teach their tribe Islam, but they retreated and attacked and killed those Muslims. Abu Amr came to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, who didn't accept Islam, but said that if you preach to Al-Najat, they would accept Islam. Prophet sent 70 Sahaba with him, but all those Sahaba got killed. Banu Nazir, a Jewish tribe, banished because they broke the treaty. Jews were banished because they helped Quraysh in Uhud while they had peace treaty with Muslims. Some Muslims killed 2 Jews while they had protection contract. So Muhammad ﷺ went to Banu Nazir, Jewish tribe, so to pay the blood money, but those Jews conspired to kill Prophet Muhammad ﷺ by throwing a huge stone on him from the hilltop. Hazrat Jibreel revealed him about their intention. Due to these reasons, Jews were banished and they started living in Khaybar, while Banu Qurayza are also Jews stayed at Medina, as they didn't bother Muslims yet. I hope this will help you to understand the lesson. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.